Hi, I'm Javier from TANGO Pool and I'm going to show you how to delegate your stake using the Yoroi wallet. So let's get started. I'm doing this demo with the mobile app version, and in this particular case I'm using an iPhone, but it's the same process using any Android based phone, or also if you want you can install it as a plugin for Google Chrome, for Firefox and also for Microsoft Edge. The first thing you need to do is to open your browser and type cardano.org. This will take you to the official Cardano website where you can find anything you need to know about the project. We're going to be looking for the wallets, so click on the menu and then on individuals and then click on Yoroi wallet. Once you are on this page, just click on downloads and select the iOS app. In this way we are sure we're opening the right app in the Apple Store, and if you're using Android it's the same. It will just open Google Play. We're doing this because there has been some incidents in the past with scammers posting fake wallets to Google Play, and we want to avoid that. Then we install the wallet and open it. It will ask you for Bluetooth connection. This is something you need if you're going to use a hardware wallet. I'm not using one for this video, but I'm going to say okay, because in the future I will do a video about it. We will install it in English. Then we have the terms of service. This is something you should read. It says very important things, like if you lose access to your wallet or private keys and you don't have a separate backup of your keys or your recovery phase, you will lose your ADA. I'm not going to read this now because otherwise it will be too long, but it's very important and you should read it, so I'm just going to accept it. Next we will add the wallet for the Shelly era. Byron was the previous era and is the foundation of Cardano. Shelly is the one we have to select, and it's all about decentralization of the network. It brings delegation capabilities and the incentive scheme we are using right now. So let's create a wallet, and I'm going to call it ADA. You can use the name that you want. The spending password is something you're going to use very often. You will use it when you're transferring ADA out of your wallet, delegating your stake, or just buying something. Something very important, and please remember this. If you lose your password, it doesn't mean you have lost your ADA, so please stay calm and don't panic. In this case, you won't be able to spend your funds, but you will see the balance and transactions history in your wallet. To change the password, you have to delete your wallet and restore it using your 15-word recovery phrase. And this is the next step and is the most important one in the wallet setup. And here we have the recovery phase. It is a sequence of English words, and they are chosen from a 2048 word dictionary. Every word represents a specific number, and these numbers are used to generate a master key that will be used to generate a set of private and public keys. Your 15 words recovery phrase is the only backup of your private keys, and it allows you to restore your wallet in case you lose access to it. Have in mind that anyone who gets your recovery phrase gets full access to your wallet and can take all your crypto assets. So write down these words, the order is very important, and keep it safe. Also, if you uninstall Yoroi, or you break or lose your phone, or you get a new phone and you have to install Yoroi again, you will need this phrase to get access to your ADA. I'm going to show you only some words because of course I have to comply with the best practices of never showing this phrase to anyone. Check these boxes because now we know how important it is. Now we have to type the recovery phrase, so we make sure that we save it correctly. And we hit confirm. Once verified, the wallet is created and is fully functional. So now let's go and transfer some ADA to it. So we go to receive and tap on the fresh address. This will show us the full address and make it easy for us to copy it. Now I'm going to take that address and going to Coinbase, where I have already purchased some ADA, and I'm going to transfer 5 ADA to my wallet. I just have to paste the address, review, and send. I have two-factor authentication enabled, so I have to paste the code I received on Google Authenticator. The transactions are very fast. In less than a minute you can see your ADA in the wallet. And there you go, here's the transfer. Now I'm going to delegate my stake in a stake pool, and that is the whole purpose of this video. So let's go to the Delegate tab, and there I can see all the stake pools. There are more than 2,000 right now, so you can get lost very easy. I'm going to search for TANGO. And hit Delegate. As we saw earlier, it's asking me for the spending password, and it's also showing that it's going to take a small fee for the operation. The fee is around 2.17 ADA if you're delegating for the first time. 2 ADA are used to create a delegate certificate plus 0.17 ADA for the transaction in the blockchain. The delegation certificate is how you register on the blockchain which stake pool you're choosing to delegate your stake. Remember, you can change your mind anytime and delegate on a different pool, and the next time you delegate, the fee will be just 0.17 ADA. Also remember that your ADA stays with you and you can spend it at any time, and you don't have to send it to another wallet in order to delegate. So now I'm in the final step and I'm really sure I want to delegate my stake to TANGO. I will hit Delegate, it will submit the transaction, and then the delegation process is completed. If you have any doubt, just go to our website www.tangocrypto.com, click on the chat box and start talking with us. We will help you and guide you throughout the whole process. Thank you for listening. I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you in the next one.